What's up guys, so here's another quick tutorial on how to cancel your premium subscription on Spotify using your browser. Now before we get into it, I made a separate video on how to cancel your subscription from your mobile phone. Make sure to check out the link down in the description. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell icon to get notifications. Now first, make sure you're logged into your Spotify account from your browser, and then on this page, click on your name at the top right corner of the screen. Click on account and that'll take you to your account overview. Now as you can see, there's a list of items here on the left. Make sure to choose the second one, which is available plans. Now on this page, depending on the actual plan you have on your account, that's what you're going to look for as you scroll down from here. So in this case, as you can see, our current plan is the trial Spotify Premium, which is basically a 3-month free trial. Now keep in mind that if you don't cancel your subscription before the 3-month period, Spotify will automatically charge your account for the monthly subscription. Now from here, let's scroll down at the very bottom of the page. And you see here Spotify free. At the bottom right, it'll give you the option to cancel premium. Now on this page, it'll basically show you a couple of changes once you proceed with the cancellation. Just scroll down and then click on continue to cancel. After that, it'll give you one last chance to reconsider. So if you already made up your mind, just go ahead and click yes, cancel. Now the next page will give you like a quick survey, which is absolutely optional. So if you want to skip this step, just scroll down and then click on skip. And there you have it. You are no longer subscribed to Spotify Premium. If you like this video, again, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell icon. If you have any questions, write it down in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.